In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect my email to Help Scout account. By the end, you'll have your own business email connected to a Help Scout inbox, so conversations land in one place and replies go out from the address your customers recognize. First, open Help Scout and head to the Manage section, then choose Inboxes. Think of an inbox in Help Scout as the home for a specific channel or team, like support or billing. If you already have an inbox set up, select it. If not, create a new one. When you create your first inbox, Help Scout gives you a default support address at your Help Scout subdomain. That built-in address is useful for testing, but most teams prefer to use their own custom email so customers see a familiar address. That's what we're connecting now. With your chosen inbox open, go into its settings. Look for the Connected Email Address section and click Connect It Now. This is where you tell Help Scout which custom email you want to use, such as your support address at your own domain. Type in the address carefully. Small typos can prevent verification, and then click Send Code. Next, switch over to your email provider for that address. You should receive a verification message from Help Scout with a code. If you don't see it right away, give it a minute, then check your spam or junk folder and any filtered tabs like promotions. Make sure you're checking the exact mailbox you entered in Help Scout. Open the message, copy the code, go back to Help Scout, and paste it into the verification field. Once you submit the code, Help Scout confirms you as the owner of that email address. That's it. Your custom email is now connected to the selected inbox. From this point forward, messages to that address will flow into the inbox, and when your team replies from Help Scout, those replies will be sent from your connected email instead of the default address. If you manage multiple addresses, just repeat the same process in each inbox that needs a custom email. A couple of quick tips to keep things smooth. Keep the Help Scout settings tab open while you retrieve the code so it's ready when you return. Make sure you have active access to the mailbox you're verifying, and double-check that you're working in the correct inbox if you manage more than one. With your email connected, your team can collaborate on replies, track conversations, and deliver consistent, professional support, all from one place.